Hey everybody, Dan the Dent Guy here, coming to you from 1184 Emerson Street. Here's the next one on the chopping block. It's a gnarly little dent here in this Nissan Rogue. Customer's going to be getting rid of it. Want to get the car cleaned up without using filler on their vehicle and having to do a lot of paint work. So let's see what we can do here at the Dent Guy. Once we assess all the damage, we get the vehicle into the shop, remove the wheel liner and the molding so that we have access to the back of the panel. Even after a large amount of the damage has been removed from the panel, there's still the initial impact points that need to be addressed. Once all the damage has been removed, we will apply touch-up paint to the damaged paint finish. Hey everybody, Dan the Dent Guy over here at 1184 Emerson Street. It's been a busy day. We got the Nissan Rogue fender all taken care of for the customer, and he's all ready for his lease turn-in. Let's take a look and see how it turned out. As you can see, the contour line is all back in. We've got touch-up where the scuffs were, and that nasty dent's all gone. Corrosion protection's been applied. The vehicle's back together, good as new, ready to go. Another happy customer.